Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. Today I am going to be doing something that's really new to me. I've been trying to find some gels for my hair. It's been really weird finding gels. I've been wanting to do wash and goes. I've been wanting to do nice twist outs with gels instead of just using a cream, but I haven't been able to. So I saw some reviews on this product. It's called the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Recipe Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, which looks so I was very intrigued when I saw people using it, but most of the ladies that I saw using it were using it for wash and goes. I'm not a wash and go girl. I really didn't see anyone doing a twist out style with it. So I said, you know what? I want to try to see how it will work with a twist out because I'm more of a twist out girl and not a wash and go. Wash and girls don't go good with me, and I'm not sure why. Maybe because I'm in a hot climate in Florida, but I'm going to try that out and try it in a different video. But today I'm going to try out a twist out style and we're going to see how that goes. So my hair has been in a protective twist. It's already moisturized and ready to go for a style. And so I'm going to untwist it, and my hair is moisturized because I use the melanin hair care line. And if you guys want to go ahead and watch that video will be up either before this or after this. I'm not too sure, but if you can see the shine that's in my hair, guys, like I love her product. And this has been in my hair for most of the time for the day, the things that I was doing throughout the day, but I just love her product. And guys, go ahead and watch that video. I just show you quickly steps on how I use it and everything like that. Nothing too long and outdrawn. I just wanted to get the video out for that one. So now we're gonna go and style my hair because I just wanted to keep it moisturized until I was ready to do a style in my hair for this video. And I'm just gonna section my hair out in the desired look that I would like my hair to be when twisting. I'm always doing this side, so I want it to look full. So we're just gonna go in. I think I may need a couple of things to hold my hair, which I do have some stuff here. So the product is a very, what I would say, soft, creamy type of consistency. It's not heavy at all. The smell is a bit citrusy. It doesn't smell like if it's going to be elongating smell that will sit in your hair, but the direction says a small amount can be used on clean, dry hair, but this gel works best when used on clean, wet, and damp hair. Apply more than tighter curls and less for elongating curls. Okay, so, and it's good for wash and goes. Apply as needed. Use with diffuser afterwards to dry, which I'm going to try in a different video with this, but for right now I'm going to do a twist out. For the ingredients, the first thing is aqua. Glycerin is the first ingredient. So there's some other things in here that's pretty good. So if you're not into the glycerin, this is not for you. Glycerin in my hair works pretty fine. I'm not too opposed with glycerin. I do like it. So but yeah, it does have that in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair into the sections that I desire. I'm going to not talk through this video. I'm going to style my hair, and when I finish, I'm going to show you guys how I'm styling and twisting. And when I'm finished, then I'm going to come back and I am going to let it sit for a while in my hair, and then I'm going to unravel to see how it looks. So this is how I wear my twist outs. I just unravel them. I really don't pick them too much or separate. I kind of like having the two twist outs showing like this when I go out. And then eventually later on during the day, it will puff out to a more, you know, voluminous style. But for, you know, just for this, I like it just like this. So I'm just going to take the same gel, you know, see what it do to my edges of my hair. Not baby hairs. I'm not about that life. but but yes, this is the final look, the unravel for Jackie's gel. I highly recommend you guys go try it out. After using it and my hair drying, my hair is not stiff, it's not hard. It is very, very lightweight, and it has that little flow to it. It doesn't feel tacky, sticky on my hair at all. I'm in love. So guys, this is the final review. This is my final hair look. I love it, love it, love it. You can tell me what you think. You can tell me if you ever tried this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel. I look forward to knowing if you did and your styles. Please tag me down below and let me know so I can see your styles as well. I will greatly appreciate it. And with that being said, please do thumbs up this video. Please do hit that subscribe button. It's just a click, 1, 2, 3. It's free just for you guys. And so please hit that bell notification so you can know when I upload my next video. And I love all of you. See you in my next video. Bye guys.